Well, the bitterly cold temps, the heavy snow, and the fact that it could be storming for several hours, of course, all cause for concern. And another big concern, the winds, as you saw with Jim out there in South Portland, forcing the snowdrifts everywhere you look. WMTW News 8's Kyle Jones joins us now live from Westbrook with more. Kyle.
Yeah, Tracy, so we've been outside all day watching those snowdrifts, as you just mentioned, and when we thought that we would lighten up, it sure doesn't. There's another gust that comes right through, so that's been kind of the pattern all day long of the snow being blown around and creating drifts where just 1 feet, it could 1 feet away, it could be just above my ankles here, and then stepping over here, it's finally hit my waist. So there are different areas around that you're going to have to be careful for when you're driving. You could see pavement in one spot, and then it could be up to a foot of snow right next to it. And we've seen earlier today that that caused some problems for some drivers. The other thing that we've been watching today, trying to measure this snow drift out here right outside the studio, is our yardstick, and so we have finally hit the orange marker here. So you can see how high this stick is, and you can see that the snow in this drift in particular is all the way up to the top. So that's what we've got here today. So we've got our final check, and be careful if you're outside, be careful with the snow drifts, and watch that blowing snow as the gusts continue. I'll send it back inside to you guys in Westbrook. Kyle Jones, WMTW News 8.